Hello everyone, this is your Excel wizard, today breaking down the if function. So as always, we're going to come up here into our insert function box, our function argument box. We're going to click OK for the if function, and you will see that the definition of the if function is checking whether a condition is met, returning one value if true, and returning another value if false. This is a really fancy way of saying, if this happens, give me this, and if that happens, give me that. So if 2 plus 2 equals 4, give me this. If it doesn't, give me that. So this function is saying if 2 plus 2 equals 4, return a 1 if it's true, return a 0 if it's false. So I hit OK, and the cell will obviously return a 1 because 2 plus 2 is in fact 4. So to show you the other side of this, we're going to say 2 plus 2 equals 5. And I'm going to hit OK. And of course, it's going to populate with a 0 because 2 plus 2 does not equal 5. Now, most people want to use Excel in a more advanced way than this. They want to use the if function in a more advanced way than this. And there are multiple steps to using the if function by combining the if and the or function, the if and function. Today, we're just going over the if function. Those combinations are in another video. So if you are interested after this, please go check those out. But today is just the if function. And I have 10 weeks of data here, 10 weeks of made up data of whether the week was in a profit or a loss. And I want to know just that, if the week was profitable or if it was not. So I'm going to type my equals if function, and my logical test is if this week was profitable. So if cell B1 is greater than 0. If cell B1 is greater than 0, I would like it to return me a 1. If cell B1 is not greater than 0, I would like it to return me a 0. So I click this checkbox and it returns me a 1 because obviously 120 is greater than 0. I drag this function down to the next box, and in week 2 we were 900 in the negative. So of course negative 900 is not greater than 0, so this will return me a 0. Now, dragging this function down to all of the weeks that we have, we see which weeks were in the positive and which weeks were in the negative. So that's all there is to know about the if function just individually. If you'd like to learn more about the if function combined with other functions like and or, I have videos on that. And if you'd like to learn more about Excel just in general, I have all the formulas you need to know broken down, each into their own video. If you found this video helpful, please consider clicking the like button. And most importantly, thank you for watching.